Whales are predatory animals that hunt in groups. They have developed techniques to herd schools of fish together, making it easier to catch them. When a group of whales spots a school of herring, one whale will dive down to a depth of about 30 meters. This whale swims around the school, using powerful tail slaps to corral the fish into a tight cluster. For the panicking herring, it is crucial to coordinate closely with other members of their school. The whale at the bottom will emit a sound at an intensity of 180 decibel, similar to the noise produced by a jet fighter. For many types of fish, this sound is unbearable, forcing them to surface at a speed of 0.5 meters per second. From a depth of 17 meters, the other whales will blow bubbles in a clockwise swirl, creating a barrier that traps the herring within the bubble net. When the herring are about 5 meters from the surface, the whales will simultaneously exhale through their blowholes, propelling the fish up into the ocean's surface. They then open their mouths wide to gulp down their prey. With just one sweep, the whales can consume thousands of herring, making their collective hunt truly terrifying. However, for some other animal species, instinct alone is not enough to make them hunters. This means they need to learn from the previous generation from a young age in order to hunt effectively as adults. Domestic cats are predatory animals with an innate hunting instinct, worthy descendants of their predatory ancestors. Yet, kittens are completely incapable of hunting in the first few weeks of life. Only when their intelligence develops a bit more and they receive guidance from their mother do they begin to learn. Mother cats serve as the first teachers, instructing their kittens on future hunting lessons. The first step involves the mother bringing dead mice for her kittens to play with. In the next step, she brings live mice, helping the kittens understand which animals are edible. The final step is going on hunts with their mother, allowing them to practice their skills and develop their innate hunting abilities. Before long, the kittens learn a great deal and become skilled hunters, rivaling their mother. Let's move to our garden. It seems that all animal species are born with a hunting instinct that helps them survive right from birth. A wall surrounding a home, seemingly ordinary, can be a place where spiders set traps, making other insects cautious of these deadly snares. Spiders are instinctive predators. When spider eggs hatch, hundreds of spiderlings emerge from their shells. In the first few days, they depend on their mother, but after about a week, they mature and become true hunters. Spiders do not produce milk, but they can lay eggs, which are considered a type of variant milk unique to spiders. These eggs are rich in energy, sufficient for the spiderlings to survive for the first 3 days. As arachnids, spiders often mold to grow, shedding their old exoskeleton. The spiderlings require a lot of energy, and when they no longer have their mother, they cannot obtain more of the milk eggs. According to the pre-programmed genetic instinct, the mother spider uses small hairs on her body to stimulate the hunting instincts in her young. They quickly gather on their mother's body, growing in number, and eventually, she willingly becomes the first prey for her own offspring. The spiderlings attack their mother with venom, and the energy of the mother spider is transferred to the next generation. This is an absolute sacrifice in the name of maternal love. From that moment on, the spiderlings can live as independent predators. For spiders, hunting doesn't need to be learned. All these instincts are inherited in their genes. Come to the wetland, and we will meet the green heron. That is a small bird, always holds one singular image in its mind: fish. With its petite body, the green heron cannot wade into deep puddles to catch fish. Instead, it must wait by the shore for unsuspecting prey to swim by. However, this bird has developed a unique method of mimicry to enhance its hunting abilities, which never fails to amaze us. The green heron has come up with an interesting idea. Where there are small fish, there are larger ones. So, it picks up a small fish and moves to another puddle to execute its distinctive hunting plan. First, it places the small fish close to the water's surface, but the larger fish are not fooled as they can see its shadow. The second time, it positions the fish a bit farther away, and this time, success smiles upon it. The small fish has been exchanged for a larger one, a well-deserved reward for the persistence and creativity of a diligent student. Unfortunately, the green heron cannot teach its lessons to others. When a green heron passes away, it takes with it the valuable experiences it has learned into the eternal world. Next, you'll embark on an exciting journey with us to the frigid Arctic, a land of icy beauty and untamed wilderness. Here, we'll meet the powerful leopard seals, rulers of the frozen seas and masters of stealthy hunting. In the icy, drifting ice of Antarctica, a penguin swims under the surface, trying to return to shore after a fishing trip. But what it doesn't know is that a long shadow is swiftly gliding beneath the ice. It is a leopard seal, a seasoned predator of the Antarctic. The leopard seal approaches with impressive speed, using its streamlined body and powerful flippers to swim like an arrow through the water. It adopts a stalking tactic, keeping just enough distance to remain undetected. As the distance closes, the leopard seal suddenly accelerates, charging towards the penguin with its sharp teeth bared.
The penguin senses danger and thrashes about, trying to evade by diving into deeper water. But the leopard seal is familiar with such pursuits. With a nimble twist, it cuts off the penguin's escape, forcing its prey toward the thin ice. The penguin desperately leaps onto the ice, hoping to escape. But the leopard seal is not one to give up easily. It uses its snout to push against the ice, causing the penguin to lose its balance and fall back into the water. In the blink of an eye, the leopard seal delivers the final bite, clamping down on its prey. The hunt is over, and the leopard seal slowly drags its catch away, blending into the icy waters, ready for its satisfying feast.
The black rhino is one of the special animal species. 2,500 years ago, the Greeks named this creature rhinoceros, meaning nose. Its nose is very distinctive, but unfortunately, this very feature has contributed to the significant decline in its population. The black rhino has been hunted to the brink of extinction, with only a few thousand individuals surviving on the planet today. Although referred to as the black rhino, they are not entirely black, but rather have a dark color. This coloration helps them blend into their environment, avoiding attacks from predators. Only the truly desperate would dare to attack a rhino. Rhinos are highly independent animals and can sometimes become aggressive and unpredictable. This is part of their natural behavior, which is why they are not considered prey by most carnivorous animals. With their formidable appearance, rhinos stand as the warriors of the savanna, instilling fear in any would-be challengers. During the dry season, Lake Magadi presents a severe challenge for most animal species. Under the scorching sun, daytime temperatures rise to levels that only the best adapted species can endure. The last rainfall occurred long ago, transforming this area into a barren land where water seems like a distant concept. However, for elephants, the story is different. These intelligent creatures possess extraordinary memories and incredible abilities to locate water sources. They can sniff out forgotten water sources, even those lying deep underground. Their trunks, a masterpiece of evolution, are not only flexible with 40,000 muscles, but also capable of detecting the scent of water from great distances. Elephant trunks allow them to perform both heavy lifting and delicate tasks, from uprooting trees to gently picking up a blade of grass. Every day, an elephant needs to drink between 160 to 200 liters of water to survive. After quenching their thirst, they continue their journey in search of food, a task no less challenging. With a daily consumption of dozens of kilograms of grass and plants, treks stretching hundreds of kilometers are inevitable. Yet, despite the hardships, elephants have become accustomed to this journey since the dawn of their species. Long migrations across arid fields and rugged terrain hone these animals to become more resilient and enduring. The individuals that survive will pass on these strong traits, helping their species to continually develop and overcome the challenges posed by nature. Farewell to the lush green forests, the scorching deserts of Africa, and the icy Arctic tundras. Today, we've explored the incredible survival strategies of various animals, from their ingenuity and resilience to their extraordinary adaptability. Each story teaches us valuable lessons about instincts and the power of nature. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Feely Animal, and leave a comment with the number 1 if you found this video meaningful. See you in our next adventure through the fascinating animal kingdom.